7 days to stop overthinking. Day 2. Break the cycle of racing thoughts. Welcome back to day 2 of your journey to calm your mind. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And softly breathe out, releasing any tension. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Feel the natural rhythm flowing in and out. Today we begin to break the cycle of racing thoughts. Notice how thoughts may rush quickly through your mind. Jumping from one idea to another. There's no need to chase or control them. Simply observe the speed of your thoughts. Like watching cars pass on a busy road. You are standing on the side, not inside the traffic. Each time you notice a thought, gently return to your breath. Your breath slows the momentum of the mind. Take a deeper inhale. And a longer, slower exhale. Feel your body beginning to settle. Racing thoughts often come with tension in the body. Scan your body gently from head to toe. Notice where you might be holding tightness. With each exhale, allow those areas to soften. Relax your forehead and your eyes. Release your jaw and your shoulders. Let your chest and stomach relax naturally. Your body is signaling to your mind that it is safe to slow down. Now bring your attention back to your breath again. Inhale slowly, counting to 4. Exhale slowly, counting to 6. Continue this gentle rhythm. Longer exhales help calm the nervous system. Notice how your thoughts begin to space out. The gaps between them are growing. You are no longer caught in the cycle. You are observing from a place of calm. If thoughts return quickly again, that is okay. Each return to the breath is a step forward. You are training your mind gently and patiently. Feel the slowing happening naturally. Like waves calming after a storm. Take a deeper breath in now. And slowly breathe out. Bring awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers and your toes. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this calm awareness with you through your day. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.